In this episode of 10 Best Ones, we are going to check out the top 5 best immersion blenders in 2018. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these immersion blenders, you can check out the links down in the description and the comment section below. Okay, so, let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Mueller Ultra-Stick 500. The Mueller Ultra-Stick 500 is an extremely affordable, 9-speed handheld immersion blender that is strong enough to compete with most of the mid-range priced immersion blenders on the market. That's why, let's quickly dive into action in order to find out what makes it be so powerful. This unit features an ergonomic, stainless steel construction that is composed of a heavy-duty, slim stick that is compact enough to fit most of the pots, beakers and mixing bowls, an ergonomic, non-slip handle and a detachable, dishwasher-safe shaft, so when you see it as a whole, this unit looks and feels expensive. I would also like to mention that the shaft integrates a fixed S-blade which locks into the motor body extremely fast, and when it starts working, the ingredients you've applied for making soups, smoothies and milkshakes will be blended effectively and extremely fast. Moving on, this unit is powered by a full copper motor which was specifically designed to ensure a continuous usage, so you won't be stuck on making only one smoothie or milkshake, but you can call your friends and make something for them as well. Another great thing about the Mueller is that you can use it for blending peanut butter, fruits, veggies, and even eggs when you'd want to make delicious pancakes. Those who've purchased this blender claim that the results were truly fantastic. For example, if you've been making fruits and veggies, you will immediately notice that the taste is not only mouth-watering, but the texture is incredibly smooth as well, which is something that we are all looking for. According to the manufacturer, it would take roughly around 30 seconds to blend different kinds of food, which isn't that long, and after you're done, the process of cleaning is extremely easy, since all you have to do is to rinse it out with the water. Last but not the least, thanks to its versatile capabilities, you can also use it for making cocktails, so as you can see, you can make virtually everything with this device. To conclude, I strongly recommend you consider the Mueller Ultra-Stick 500, because it offers a great value for its cost. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Breville BSB 510XL. The Breville BSB 510XL has been on the market for a couple of years, but because of its durable construction and high-end performance, even today, it is among the most purchased immersion blenders that you can find on the market. This model has a sleek, 3-tone color body that looks beautiful from any perspective, whether you're looking from the top or from the bottom, thanks to its neutral colors which make it suitable for any kitchen decor. At the top, there is the ergonomic control grip which houses 15 settings of which you can take an advantage in order to have a greater control over the device, but you can also notice the extra long, 6-inch cord which will drastically enhance your mobility around your kitchen. In addition, numerous users have stated that they were extremely satisfied with the comfort they had while using the grip because of 2 reasons. The first is that the surface will drastically reduce the chances of slipping as you're using the device, while the second thing is that the hand will offer you a natural position for your hands, and I think that you will feel this once you enrich your kitchen with a device of this caliber. At the bottom, there is the bell-shaped, non-scratch base which doesn't only look good, but it is also extremely soft on pots, so you shouldn't worry about anything. Moving on, the blades are maybe the most notable thing about the BSB 510XL, since they are made of stainless steel, and they are sharp enough to cut ice, not to mention what they can do to the ingredients. Another great thing about this blender is its 280-watt motor that will ensure a consistent and an evenly blended performance on different ingredients. I would also like to inform you that this blender comes with a handy whisk attachment which can be used for cream or egg whites, a blending jug, and a chopping bowl, so you will be equipped with basically everything. After all, I think that we've found out what's so special about the Breville BSB 510XL, and that's the main reason why you should consider this product as your next purchase. Next up, at number 3, we have the Allclad KZ750D. The Allclad KZ750D is a 600-watt immersion blender that would be your greatest companion while blending different types of food, thanks to its versatile capabilities and ergonomic design that will never make your hands feel tired, no matter how long you've been using it. This blender has a relatively compact and lightweight body that is accompanied by a soft grip handle which will offer you a stable grip while blending, 9¼ stainless steel shaft which is slim enough to reach deep into different sized pots, bowls and pitchers, and variable speed control dial which has power, pulse and turbo settings. For your information, this unit is shipped alone, so if you require additional accessories, you should additionally pay in order to get them. Moreover, the 600 watts of power will significantly enhance your ability to blend multiple ingredients at the same time, so except smoothies, you can prepare baby food, chop nuts, whip up mayo and other types of recipes without feeling restricted on making only one or few things. As I've mentioned previously, this unit is equipped with a variable speed control dial of which you can take an advantage in order to make the textures of your smoothies exactly as you'd wish, so I really think you won't find any remarks regarding the design and the performance. I would also like to mention that this unit is extremely easy to use, and at the same time, the presence of its protective stainless steel guard will significantly minimize the splatterings which often occur during the blending process. But that's not all. After you're making delicious recipes, the cleaning process doesn't require any noticeable effort as well. To be more precise, the unit's shaft is detachable, and once you detach it from the handle, all you have to do is to apply some warm water, rinse it and store it anywhere in your kitchen. To conclude, the Allclad KZ750D deserves your attention because it is durable, performs quickly and effectively, and it is easy to use, which means that if you ever decide to purchase it, you will never regret that decision. Moving on, at number 2, we have the KitchenAid KHB2571SX. The KitchenAid KHB2571SX is a 5-speed, immersion blender that would be a top option for everyone who wants to invest in a quality, and easy-to-use blender that looks as good as it performs. This device is available in 3 color editions from which you can choose the one that suits your tastes the most, such as the brushed stainless steel which we are currently reviewing, contour silver and the onyx black, but please keep in mind that they don't share the same price tag. The brushed stainless steel model comes with additional accessories, such as the whisk attachment, a storage case, a BPA-free pitcher with a capacity of 1 liter, a chopper and a 13-inch blending arm, so from the very beginning, you will be armed with everything necessary. Moreover, this unit has a brushed stainless steel construction that holds an 8-inch blending arm, but as I've already mentioned, you can also switch to the 13-inch one, and what's interesting about them both, is that they can blend in any bowl, pot or a pitcher, so you shouldn't worry about anything. I would also like to mention that the blending process while using the KitchenAid is exceptionally smooth, due to the fact that the grip handle is soft, and it has a non-slip surface which will offer you a stable and precise grip for your ultimate user experience. But that's not all. I'd recommend you use the included, BPA-free blending jar with lid which is included in the package, because it has embedded measurements on the front, so you will always know whether the ingredients stored at the inside match the recipes you're reading. Moving on, the included 2.5-inch chopper attachment is extremely useful for cutting cheese, cooked meat, and herbs, while the whisk attachment can be used to whip eggs and cream. Before we end, I'd like to inform you that those who've purchased this product claim that the S-blade is not only ideal for blending, but it is sharp enough to crush ice as well, so once you make your favorite smoothie, you can apply some ice and make it even tastier. Overall, the KitchenAid KHB2571SX is worthy of considering, so check it out and find out why are dozens of users satisfied with its performance. And finally, at number 1, we have the BAMXPRO 1M150. The BAMXPRO 1M150 is a professional, 150-watt blender is among the best immersion blenders on the market because of many reasons, but the one that I want to reveal to you right now, is its torque power that may reach up to 12,000 rotations per minute, so if you were impressed with this, wait until you find out what are the other key points. The M150 boasts a compact, PA6 safety-rated construction which is odor-resistant on one side, while on the other, it is completely sealed, which means that the motor will be safe from moisture, and you won't have to look for another immersion blenders for many years. At the top, there is the ergonomic handle that houses push-button controls with 2 speeds such as the low, which will offer you 9,000 rotations per minute, and the high, with 12,000 rotations per minute, so you can use each of them depending on your preferences. For your information, you will be given 3 stainless steel, interchangeable blades which will be there for you to ensure that the ingredients stored in your bowls are going to be evenly cut. For example, there is a multipurpose blade which is ideal for making smoothies, soups and crushing ice, a whisk blade which is great for salads, and the beater blade, which is actually a flat disc that will help you make whipped cream out of egg whites, so as you can see, you will be extremely well equipped with everything. But what makes this immersion blender different from the other, is its open head design, which creates a vortex with the intention to draw food into the blades for faster and more effective performance, and the other thing is that all of its components can be cleaned underwater, so I have to admit that the manufacturer deserves some applaud here. Last but not the least, the 150-watt AC motor is surely a great addition, because it makes this blender capable to stay quiet while operating under heavy loads, so the noise will never cause you discomfort while blending. Overall, you should seriously consider the BAMXPRO 1M150 as your next purchase, because it has everything needed that guarantees quality blending and delicious smoothies. Thanks for watching, I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future, and if you have any questions related to these immersion blenders, you can leave a comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can.